PVK welcomes the president's recent stance against corruption and privilege and pilferage of public resources. Such tough talk isn't new. More often than not, it is not followed up with action. PVK notes with a lot of concern of the recent trend of hiring goons to settle scores and terrorize real or perceived opponents.
We want to see heads rolling. We want to see people arrested. People that received the 10 million he was talking about. It seems he knows who received the 10 million. We need to see them arrested. On the other thing about hooliganism, as a church, we are here to petition the government. You have a duty of protecting us. It is your duty. The Interior Ministry, don't threaten, bite. We need to see the journalists that were beaten. We know who beat them.